Hello, hi, namaskar. Today we are going to see very simple topic in the C language. That is nothing but the string in the C language. But before we starting this session, I hope everybody is taking their health care from the COVID-19 Corona. Follow the order that is given by the government. Stay at your home and be safe from the Corona. So we will start with the first of all definition of the string. Very simple definition of string. What is that? A string is the collection of the character. Very simple definition. String is nothing but the word collection of the character. So for example point of view, I have given here the string which is nothing but the welcome. welcome. So what we said, a string is nothing but the collection of the character. So here how many characters are there? welcome, 7 characters are there. Means what? Here the welcome string is nothing but the collection of the 7 character, that is nothing but the welcome, and when we are combining this all character, it contributes to the one string. Okay, so from this you can easily understand what is mean by a string. So string is the collection of the characters. And next we will study the word a general form and the initialization of the string. So into the general form and initialization we will see how we are going to initialize a string. But before that, it's a general form. What it says, we have given here example how to declare the string. How to declare the string? First of all we have to write the character array, then name in the sense you have to write the name of the string, and into the square bracket you have to mention what is the size of that string. Below that I have written character, the name of the string is nothing but the str, and into the square bracket I have mentioned their size, which is nothing but the 13. So what that size indicate? That size indicate that you can take maximum 13 character in your C string. More than 13 characters in your string is not allowed. That indicates the size of that string. After the general form or after the declaration, we have to initialize the string. Initialization is somewhat similar like a declaration of a string, but what we have added into the initialization, we have same format like character, then we have written the name of the string, that is nothing but the str. Into the square bracket we have mentioned its size, that is nothing but the 13, but after that we have given equal to sign, and into the double inverted comma we have written the string. Which string we have taken here? That is nothing but the welcome. So in this way we have to initialize the string. We have to write the character, into then next is nothing but the name of the string, into the bracket its size equal to the, then what is string you are having you have to mention there into the double inverted comma. Next, the very important part into the string that is useful, which is nothing but the string functions. Generally we are having the 4 string functions we are using into the C language, which are mentioned here. First string function, which is nothing but the string length, which is specified as strlen. Second string function is nothing but the string copy, which is mentioned as strcpy. Third string function is nothing but the string concatenate, which is measured as string cat. Fourth function is nothing but the string compare, which is mentioned as string cmp. So 4 functions are nothing but the string length, string copy, string concatenate, and string compare. So we will study detail each function. First function is nothing but the string length, which is represented as strlen. So for what is this function is used? String length. This function is used to calculate the length of the string. So what is mean by length of string? In simple language, how many characters are there in each string, that is nothing but the length of that string. So it will, with the help of example, we can easily understand what I have written here. A is equal to strlen, and into the bracket what I have written, this string. So here I have taken this string, that is nothing but the welcome. So how many characters are there? 7 characters. So when we are using that string length function, at that time the value of string length function that we are getting after using it, that is nothing but the 7. So actually how many characters are present into the particular string, that is nothing but the length of that string. So that can we will easily understood with the help of program which I have given here. See, while writing the program of the string, what care you have to take? We have to write our regular header file, that is nothing but the stdio.h, conav.h. But another one header file that you have to mention here, which is nothing but the string.h. Whenever you are writing any string program, you have to mention there the another header file which is nothing but the string.h. Remaining program is like our regular program, void main, and then we have declared one integer variable a. Then we have initialized the string, that is character. Name of the string is nothing but the string1 str1. Into the bracket I have mentioned their size, which is nothing but the 20, and I have taken the string which is the welcome. So what I have written after this, a is equal to strlen, and into the bracket I have written the string. So what is this? Is the specific syntax to write the string length function. So what is the now length of the string? That is nothing but the 7, welcome. It will count it as the 7. So value which is stored in a, that is nothing but the 7. So what is the length of string? That is nothing but the 7. At the last we have seen the output, which is nothing but the 7. So by using this string length function, we can easily calculate the length of string. Length of string is nothing but the how many characters are present into the string. It itself shows the length of the string. Second string function is nothing but the string copy. Now this function is used for what? To copy one string to another string. So I have mentioned here string copy function, that is nothing but the strcpy, and into the bracket what we have to write? We have to write string1 comma string2. Two strings are separated by the comma and which are present into the bracket. This is more important while writing the string copy syntax. Now but what will happen here? String copy, string, whatever the string2 you have written, that will get copied into the string1, not string1 will get copied into the string2. Whatever the string2 you have written, that string2 will get copied into the string1. That you have to keep in mind, not string1 to the string2, string2 to the string1. That we will study by our simple program, that is of string copy program. First string that we have taken here, str1, that is nothing but the hello. Second string we have taken here, second str2, that is nothing but the nice. And below that we have written the string copy function syntax, like nothing but the string copy and into the bracket str1 comma str2. Means what happened? String 2 will get copied into the string 1, that is the nice string will get copied into the string 1, that is nothing but the hello. So what output we will get? What we have written, str1 comma str2, means string 2 will get copied into the string 1. Means what? Into the string what is the present? Which string is present? Nice. So what we have declared or what we have written in printf, what we have to show? We have to show the string 1. So we will get the output as the nice, not the hello. Why? Because string 2 will get copied into the string 1. For displaying this string, we have to take care that, like, if we have to display the integer, we have written the %d. So if we have to display this string, then we have to write it as the %s, that I have written here into the printf. So this is the very simple, that is nothing but the string copy. Third function is nothing but the string cat, or you can call also called it as string concatenate. So what is mean by string concatenate? This function of this string is used to combine the two strings. If we are having the two strings and if we have to combine that two strings, then we have to use the string concatenate function. Its a syntax is same like the previous, but what we have to write here, we have to write the function that is nothing but the strcat strcat, and into the bracket we have to write the string 1 and string 2, which is separated by the comma. What happened? The string 2 will get combined with the string 1. Okay, whatever the string 2 we have written, that string 2 will get combined with the string 1, not like string 1 will get combined with the string 2. String 2 will get combined with the string 1. So we can study it by using simple program, same header file, but what another important header file, string.h. We have taken here first string str1, that is nothing but the hello. Second string we have taken str2, that is nothing but the nice, and then we have used the function that is nothing but the strcat, and into the bracket we have written str1 comma str2. Means what? Second string, which is nothing but the nice, which get combined with the which string, that is nothing but the hello. And which string we have displayed? We have displayed the string 1. So what happened? The nice string that get combined with the hello string, and into the string 1 what we will get the output, that is nothing but the hello nice. Means what? String 2 will get combined with the string 1. This is nothing but the string concatenation. And at the last, which is nothing but the string comparison. This function is used to compare the two strings. Now how it will compare the two strings? If both strings are same or equal, then your output will be 0, and if both strings are not equal, you will get output other than 0. It may be positive integer or it may be negative integer. Means what? It will compare the two strings and it will show us the output. So we will also learn this string comparison by using our program. Here we have taken the first string, which is nothing but the hi h double I, second string by bye, and we have used here the function which is nothing but the string compare, into the bracket string 1 and string 2. So what happened? It will compare the two strings. Here two strings are almost same, having equal value, so into the a we will get output is equal to 0. Why? Because two strings are almost having their length is nothing but the same, so we will get the output it as the 0. If two strings are not same, then we will get output maybe positive integer, maybe negative integer, that will depend upon the comparison. Okay, so these are the four important string functions, that is nothing but the that we have seen, which are nothing but the string. First is nothing but the string length, second is nothing but the string copy, third is nothing but the string concatenation, and fourth is nothing but the string compare. Into the string length, what we will calculate? We will calculate the what we will that is nothing but the we will calculate the string length, and into the second, that is nothing but the string copy, we will copy one string to another string. Into the third, that is string concatenate, we will combine these two string, and into the fourth, that is nothing will be string comparison, we will compare the two string and we will give the result. So this is nothing but the string functions used in C. Very simple concept. You can write, as I have given here the separate program for each function, you can write this same program by using the switch case also. Means like into the case first you will take as the string length, case 2 you will take it as the string copy, then string concatenation, and fourth case may be string comparison. So this is the very simple and important part into the C language. I hope everybody will understood this string part from this video. So you can learn it, study it, and try to execute this program as early as possible. Thank you. Thank you.